Hello and welcome to this video on black and grey tattoos. Black and grey tattoos have become increasingly popular in recent years, and they are a unique and stunning alternative to traditional colorful tattoos. In this video, we will explore the history, technique, and meaning behind black and grey tattoos, as well as different styles and designs. Black and grey tattoos have their roots in the Chicano culture of the 1970s in Southern California. This style was born out of necessity as tattoo artists in the Chicano community did not have access to a wide range of colorful ink. Instead, they relied on a limited palette of black, grey, and white ink to create intricate and detailed designs. Creating a black and grey tattoo requires a different technique than a traditional colorful tattoo. Instead of relying on a variety of ink colors, a black and grey tattoo artist must use different shades of black, grey, and white ink to create depth and shading in the design. This technique is called black and grey realism and requires a high level of skill and precision. Black and grey tattoos come in a variety of styles and designs. Realistic portraits of people or animals are a popular choice of black and grey tattoos, as the shading and depth can create a stunning lifelike appearance. Other popular designs include religious iconography, traditional tattoos, and abstract or geometric designs. The meaning behind a black and grey tattoos can vary depending on the individual's interpretation. Some people may choose a black and grey tattoo because they appreciate the aesthetic, while others may choose it for its understated and subtle appearance. Black and grey tattoos can also be used to represent specific concepts or themes, such as the duality of light and the dark or the passage of time. Getting a black and grey tattoo requires careful consideration and planning. It's important to choose a reputable artist who is experienced in creating black and grey tattoos and has a portfolio of previous work to show you. Make sure to communicate your ideas and preferences clearly with your artist so that they can create a design that is tailored to your unique vision. During the tattooing purpose, it's important to follow all aftercare instructions carefully to ensure proper healing and minimize the risk of infection. Black and grey tattoos are a stunning and unique tattoo style that requires a high level of skill and precision to execute properly. Whether you choose a realistic portrait or an abstract design, a black and grey tattoo can be a powerful and meaningful addition to your body art collection. If you are considering getting a black and grey tattoo, take the time to research different designs, find a reputable artist, and carefully consider the placement and size of your tattoo. With the right planning and execution, a black and grey tattoo can be a beautiful and timeless work of art. Black and grey versus color tattoos. One of the main differences between black and grey tattoos and traditional colorful tattoos is the overall aesthetics. Black and grey tattoos tend to have a more understated and subtle appearance, while colorful tattoos can be bold and eye-catching. Black and grey tattoos can also age better than colorful tattoos, as the shading and depth can help prevent the design from fading or becoming blurry over time. The placement of a black and grey tattoo can also impact the overall appearance and meaning of the design. For example, a small and subtle black and grey tattoo on the wrist can be a meaningful reminder or personal symbol, with a larger and more detailed black and grey tattoo on the back or chest can be a stunning work of art. Aftercare is crucial for any tattoo, but it's especially important for black and grey tattoos. Proper aftercare can help prevent infection and ensure that the tattoo heals properly. This includes keeping the tattoo clean and dry, avoiding direct sunlight or exposure to water, and following any specific aftercare instructions provided by the tattoo artist. Black and grey tattoos are a unique and stunning alternative to traditional colorful tattoos. With their subtle appearance and detailed shading, black and grey tattoos can be a powerful and meaningful addition to any body art collection. If you are considering getting a black and grey tattoo, take the time to research different designs and find a reputable artist who is specialized in this style. With proper planning and execution, a black and grey tattoo can be a beautiful and timeless work of art. Thank you for watching this video on black and grey tattoos, and we hope you find it informative and helpful. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members.